The Bestway H2OGO Mount Splashmore slide is an inflatable outdoor backyard water park that guarantees an unforgettable summer filled with endless fun and adventure. It features a climbing wall, water slide, splash pool, soak bucket, and water blaster, providing various activities to keep the kids entertained. Constructed from robust PVC-coated polyester materials with double-stitched seams, it is designed to withstand the rigors of summer and has a weight capacity of 600 pounds. The water slide is recommended for kids ages 5 to 10 years old, supporting 120 pounds per kid of 600 pounds overall. The package includes an efficient air blower, a handy repair kit, a convenient storage bag, sturdy stakes for stability, an anchor bag, and a water spray hose. Given its high review score of 4.6 out of 5 and a competitive price of $284.14, the Bestway H2OGO Mount Splashmore slide offers excellent value for money.